Watch this video and learn how to draw a red, blue and yellow train.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. That was a very nice welcome.
Yeah,
You're in a really good mood.
Artie in a very good mood.
Artie, you know how you really love trains?
Yeah,
Why don't we draw a train today?
yay! Artie make art.
Yes, we're going to make some art.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
Artie, are you with us? Should we start drawing our train?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, come on, let's begin.
What a fantastic day it is to do some art!
Every day's a fantastic day to do art.
Let's draw a curved line going up the page and then another curved line going across from the top of the first curved line. Let's draw the front wheel. Draw a nice big circle. Perfect, Artie. Draw another circle inside. Let's do two little lines on either side of the wheel. One on the left and one on the right. It doesn't look like a train yet, but it will. Draw a straight line all the way down. And now let's draw another wheel. Try and draw a circle that's about the same size as the first one. And remember, another circle inside. Let's draw a curved line at the back going up towards the top. A little half circle on the left. That's it. Now go across and then another little half circle. And finally, join the two little half circles together. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Now we're going to draw the little chimney on the front of the train. This is actually called a smokestack.
Smokestack.
Yes, smokestack. That's where all the smoke and steam comes out of. We're going to draw some of the steam later when we've finished the train. Okay, you've finished the smokestack, Artie. Let's draw a little window for the train driver to look out of. A line along the bottom, a left line, and an arch. Draw another little curved line at the very front of the train. Let's add a couple of lines just underneath the window. It's already looking good.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Now let's draw the very front part of the train. This is called the pilot. It's like a little nose sticking out of the front of the train. Let's have our train pulling a carriage. A curved line down from the top. A longer curved line at the back. And time for another wheel. Don't forget the little circle inside. You did such a good job on that wheel, Artie. Let's do another one. Okay, I think that's enough wheels. Let's draw the bottom of the carriage. And now let's draw the roof.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey!
Me too, Betty.
Me too, guys. I love watching Artie draw. That's right, Artie. Let's draw a roof that looks a little bit like the one on top of the train. I think we've got room for two little windows so that the passengers can look out. Draw 2 little arched windows, similar to the one that we gave the driver. Great job, Artie. Dance break? You want a dance break? Okay, we'll have a little stop and have a dance break.
He can really dance.
This is making me want to dance.
Quite tickled me, frankly. I have to give it a 10.
That was a great dance break, Artie. Very energetic, and I really liked your hat. Okay, should we carry on and finish the train? Let's draw 2 stripes on the carriage, just like we did on the engine. A curved line with another one just below. Let's connect the engine to the carriage, otherwise our passengers aren't going to get very far. Now let's draw the train tracks.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
Well, it's going to look even better once Artie's finished, guys. He's nearly done. That's the back track drawn. Now let's draw the front track. 2 big curved lines, one underneath the other. That's the rails drawn. Now let's draw the sleepers. Yes, Artie, they're called sleepers. They're wooden planks that connect the 2 rails together. Now, do you remember what we talked about earlier, Artie? Something that comes out of the stack? That's right, the steam. We've got to draw the steam now, Artie. Simply draw a sort of fluffy cloud shape coming out of the stack. Perhaps another little cloud of steam at the back, Artie. That's it. Oh yes, this is looking really good. I think it might be finished. You're finished. I thought so. Well, this is going to be a big colouring job, Artie. I can't wait to see it.
It's coloring time!
You're finished? Wow, Artie, it looks so good. I love the red and the blue and the yellow. It really came out good. Great job.
That looks lovely, Artie.
Great job, buddy!
Well, that's it for today, little artists. We'll say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Artie. Bye-bye, little artists.